Alright, what's going on, guys? Chris Rednick here, and today is an absolute shit show. And when I say shit show, I mean it's a fucking shit show, alright? So, I woke up today, and I was driving my Miata to go to the shop, you know, because we got some stuff planned today. And I go around this corner, and I hit black ice, and I almost hit this mailbox. Thankfully, I didn't. I was like maybe 8 inches away from it, and I ended up hitting the curb. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna risk this. I personally know how to drive in the snow, so don't say I don't, because I do. I understeered, and I was trying to tap the brakes to get some traction, and it just didn't happen. I was sliding on black ice. There was nothing I can do. And I was going slow, too. I wasn't even being ignorant. I wasn't trying to drift or nothing. So I go home. I'm playing zombies with Grillo. My friend Anton calls me, right? Because he wants to be part of the garage, like rent out part of it. So I'm like, all right, let's go. He has a truck, so I'm like, I'll go with him. We pass where I crashed, and I'm like, hey, Anton, I crashed right here. And he's like, oh, really? And right when he said, oh, really, his truck started sliding. Same way mine did, but his was actually going in the middle of the road like this. So it's a truck, so I'm like, oh, shit, we're gonna flip, what the fuck? And thankfully, we did not flip, but literally, that road is chaos. But now I'm here with Grillo because I know he is a safe driver for one, and I know he drives slow. So I'm gonna take it with the safest man possible, my boy Grillo right here, and we're gonna take this slow, and we're gonna go fix the other Miata. So let's do it, and hopefully we get there safe. Alright guys, so we just got to the shop, and good thing no one died, so that's a plus. So we got the Miata here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the valve cover off real quick, untime it. We're just gonna unplug all these hoses and everything. We already have the intake off because this gasket needed to be changed, but the water pump's bad, so we're gonna take the water pump out, and we're gonna do this real fast, and we're gonna get this thing running. Then I'm gonna buy some BC coils, and we're gonna go to the next drift event, guys, and we're gonna blow this thing up for you. Let's do it. So like I said before, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta take the valve cover off. Just get this out of the way real quick. Alright guys, so when you got your nifty valve cover off, and she's clean as a whistle, you're gonna wanna put it on the ground where it's the dirtiest. And then you're gonna wanna brainstorm what you gotta do next. Alright guys, so right now I'm taking off the bottom pulley.
Was it loose?
Yeah, it was really loose.
It's all good.
But we're gonna get this done. This thing's gonna run. Once, like I said before, we're making it to the Thompson Drift event. Alright guys, so everything is off. The water pump's off, and that looks disgusting as fuck. But here's the water pump right here. And as you can see, what broke on it was the pulley, and it snapped off right here. But us just looking at it, like, when you're looking at it when everything's together, it literally looks like it's part of the block. So we thought it was part of the block. But don't worry guys, we're still gonna blow this up. But I'm gonna buy a spare motor on the side and just buy parts by parts. And I'm not gonna put it in until I have everything and it's ready just to drop, so we can pop it and swap it. What do you think about that, Mr. 450 wheel?
Mister, I have no car.
What do you mean? I have a car.
I have no car.
Will, what are you doing, dude? Will just tripped me. Dude, let's see a cloud. Or no, let's see a trick. You said you wanted to be part of a vape group. Let's see if you can get sponsored.
Come on, dude.
Alright, so Will was talking about being a vape god. He wants to be part of, what is it, like Vape Nation or something?
What are you talking about?
Alright, so
wait, what am I doing?
Will wants to get sponsored from a vape team.
No, I don't.
So just do a jelly. Try it. Oh! Alright, so if any vape company out here is watching this, his Instagram's gonna be right here, right now. Just DM him. He wants a sick setup, and he wants to do O's for you guys. Hey guys, so change of plans. We actually have to go to Torrington, my hometown, to get the water pump because the one in New Milford, the closest one to us, their computers aren't linked to Torrington, so I can't get the warranty there because I bought this 1.5 years ago. And yeah, so it's under warranty, so I don't have to spend $50 on this garbage. So let's go get her. We're advanced right now. I'm gonna go exchange this piece of garbage. Woo! We got the new water pump. We're gonna put it in tomorrow because it's already getting late. It's like 8 o'clock, and there's really no point of whatchamacallit. There's really no point of going back today, but we're gonna get some pizza. So as you guys know, in earlier videos, this is the Rudnick taco right here. You fold it, so you get the pizza and the crust. And I'm actually starting a hashtag called Rudnick Taco. And I want you guys to use that hashtag and take a picture of your Rudnick taco, of you eating it. And I'm gonna pick the best one and put it on YouTube and show the world. So all you gotta do is take a picture on Instagram, hashtag Rudnick Taco, and then tag me in it. And then you can have a chance to win. So let's do it. Rudnick Taco.
No, actually, it's the Will Taco. This one's a lot better. There's a lot more crust on there. It was a higher quality piece of pizza, so my taco's obviously better.
Yeah. What do you eat? Just whole thing?
Well,
Alright guys, so me and Will are doing a race. Last time we did a race, it was on my stream, and I kicked his ass. But this time, I'm trying to make it a little more fair. I told him he can use a drink, and I can't. So, are you ready, Will? Marcus called go. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, go. It's already over. It was over on the first bite.
This expensive fix is coming out of your pocket.
Come on, Will, you're slowing down.
So dry.
It's time to call Coco. Just one day repair can break the bank, leaving you without your cash or your car.
Done.
my jaw hurts so much.
How do you feel, Will?
I'm about to have the hiccups.
You got beat for the second time in a food race.
Alright guys, so we got a race going down right now. I want you guys to pause this video and see tell me who's gonna win. Marcus or Will? On your marks, get set, go. Marcus, chew faster, dude. Oh, that was a big bite. That was a big bite. Will's getting it. He's gonna put. Marty's gonna put that whole thing in his mouth. It's going down. This might be a close race. This might go down. This is anyone's game still. This is anybody's game. Will's still chewing, but Marcus is almost done with that one. And Will put his last bite in. Can Marcus swallow that little one before Will does?
I'm not
Who's gonna finish? You gotta open your mouth when you're done. Who's gonna take home the prize of nothing? Who's getting that Instagram shout out right here? Who wants it? Oh, how close were you? Close? We already gave you a shout out for the vape god, dude. 2. There it is, right there. Jesus.
As soon as you said Instagram shout out, I just swallowed whatever I had in my fucking mouth.
Alright guys, so now it's biggest bite with every... You good, bro?
Dude.
Oh shit. No, it's not cheating. It's not cheating. You just gotta fit the whole thing in your mouth and swallow it.
I say that's cheating.
That's not cheating.
Fine.
Alright, fine.
It's gonna do that in my mouth anyways.
He's gonna choke. Nothing but crust.
I feel. That's not even like.
Dude, Will might beat me. Will might beat me. He's gonna choke.
Yeah. I fit a whole glazed donut in my mouth before.
He's gonna choke. Oh, you're not even going for it yet. I don't know if when I put this on YouTube, people are gonna call us sick fucks or they're gonna laugh like I am. Because this is hilarious. Oh, he might miss it. He might miss it. You can't touch it.
You know what I can already hear?
What?
All the dick comments. Like, dude, you can suck a mean dick.
I'm about to just fit a whole pizza in.
A whole pizza, like the whole slice into everything?
Yeah, the whole slice. Will, is this brutal or what?
There's no water either. Your mouth must be so dry. Look at him.
Marcus, you gotta at least try, dude.
I'll probably beat that.
Well, you're gonna beat that? Oh,
My
shit.
tongue hurts. Have you swallowed anything yet?
No, he had to. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Was that? Oh, that was bigger.
Yeah, but whose crust is bigger?
Yeah, no, his is smaller, though. Dude, he might take home the prize tonight. And his isn't sticking out, like, obnoxiously, either.
Dude, this dude's fucking 22 years old. What do you expect?
What does that mean? That he has a bigger jaw?
Look how big he is.
Dude, it doesn't. This was your competition, not his, and he just showed you up.
Alright, yeah. So what'd you expect? He's bigger. I knew he was gonna win.
Dude, my stomach. Alright, so Marcus is gonna get that, obviously. I don't even think I can fit this whole. My stomach hurts so bad.
Miata from hell. Instagram.
This is what the food guys.
Yeah, you gotta jump. You gotta jump to get it all down your fucking stomach.
Crust. Fuck it.
Oh my god. Oh. No, you. I don't know if that's legal.
I don't know if that counts.
That's not legal. You gotta retry, bro.
Put it down.
Dude,
No,
you're disqualified. You gotta spit that back out and try it again. You gotta get a new piece. Dude, you're recording 5 minutes. What the fuck? Air Force.
Oh my god, my stomach hurts so fucking bad.
Stop bitching. Ow!
Is he actually good?
Yeah, this is a good one. Go!
You gotta drink some more.
We gotta get it. We gotta get it good.
I'm gonna puke. I'm puking tonight after this one.
Good.
My stomach.
Do it. I want you to puke. Oh yeah, get in there. Money shot. Money shot. That's the face of a winner. Oh yeah. Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out. Hey, spitters are for quitters.
Tommy is gonna laugh so hard in this video.
What are you doing? Look at all those crumbs. Oh my god. That's just so hot. Look at those blackheads. You better leave all this in. This is great footage.
Done. I win, dude. That is a winner.
Nope.
And I'm gonna finish it with fuck you.
I
Wow.
don't know how you eat so fast.
What? You don't know?
I don't know.
In deep thought.
I'm in a food coma. So me and Will tied. He's got just about the same. This isn't my crust, but I think, yeah, that's yours, Will. Yeah, Marcus is the loser of all 3 rounds. Actually, no, you came in second in one of them.
There will be
Don't start this shit, dude. We're gonna be here all night. You got one more try and I'm out. Oh yeah. You're so gay, dude.
Ooh, we got a vape here.
Will, what are you saying?
We got another victim.
Who's our victim?
It's a fucking trailblazer. I don't think he wants the V6 power. I don't think he wants. I'm about to put this in fucking M mode.
M mode? What is that?
Manual.
Oh shit, dude.
Dude, this shit's sporty as fuck. Does he want it?
He's not even pulling up to the line.
Dude, wave him up.
Come on, bud.
Beep at him, dude.
Nah, as we start going, I'm gonna give him a little bit of a chance to catch up. I'm gonna give him 3 beeps and we're dusting. I don't think he wants it.
He doesn't want none of this.
No.
You know what the funny thing is? Your mom watches as your mom.
Come on, bud.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ah! Going down. Where is he at? Oh yeah, I can't see him. He's back there.
Dude, I thought he was gonna fucking cream you.
Dude, imagine if that thing was like boosted.
Dude, how pissed would you have been if he just fucking blew by you?
V8.
We got another fucking red light.
He's right here still.
Wait, roll down your window and tell him to race you.
Oh no, you don't want this one. You know
want
what this
it?
one is?
Beep at him,
You
dude.
know-
Beep at him. Oh, there he is.
Dude, that's
You
the,
want it?
That's the LS, dude.
You want to race?
Oh
I got whatever comes in the car.
V6.
It's a V6. It's,
Call him a pussy, call him a pussy, call him a pussy. Call him a
He
pussy.
knows.
it's got the sport badge. It's fast.
Wait, get ready, dude. Get ready, dude. Get ready. Oh.
You know whose dad that is?
Who?
That's Andrew's dad.
Oh,
Andrew,
oh
that's
yeah.
fast.
That thing is fast, dude.
That's a
yeah.
V8. It's got an LS in it.
Dude, I still won both races. I don't give a shit what you guys say.
Fuck him. Roll down this window, roll down this window. Oh my god!
Oh, wait, tell him to do it again.
He's gonna hit you.
Tell him to do
I
it
didn't
again.
even get it, dude. I'm pissed. I didn't even get it.
Hey! Hey! Hit this push, do it again. Hit the push, do it again. Come on, get it for the video.
Wait, fuck, let me out.
You're just going with him?
No. Dude, go over! Dude!
Smoke it!
What is wrong with it?
I'm leaving!
Dude, it's stopped! It's trying to stop! Dude, it's...
Bang! That's so funny.
Oh my god!
This is so fun. Oh shit. Ain't them drugs counting Andy. Last name Savage bitch, but no I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, how to make her eat a plant. Oh.
This is what I come home to.
Skeleton. White skeletons.
So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And I want to thank you guys for watching so much. It honestly does mean so much to me. And for the next Miata video, stay tuned for that. I'm kind of busy the next couple days, so I was going to do it tomorrow, but some stuff came up and I got to do some stuff. And actually, I got to do some stuff with Tommy tomorrow. If you guys want to check out his channel, he just started his channel up and it's going good. I think he's got like 400 subs now. So if you guys just want to go check it out, it's going to be in the link below. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.